Green juice is one of the most popular and talked about health supplement that most people use today who try to lose weight and overall just live a healthy lifestyle. Study says that a green juice made with vegetable ingredients such as kale, cucumbers, lemon juice and other vegetables can provide as much as 36% of your daily potassium needs and 20% of your vitamin needs. Potassium boosts your energy and helps relax your blood vessels. It also contains vitamin A, which supports your eye, brain and bone health. It is also a very powerful antioxidant and it boosts your immune system as well as cell growth. Green juice made from vegetable is low in sugar and has no fat. Still a little skeptical? Okay, now I'm gonna list a few reasons why you should definitely give green juice a shot. Okay, number 1, it alkalizes your body. It's a known fact that the body can be too acidic. It also can be too alkaline. See, it needs to be just right in between 7.35 and 7.45 pH. So, in other words, it needs to be balanced between acidic and alkaline. When you drink too much alcohol or consume too much processed foods, it actually becomes more acidic. Drinking green juice every day helps maintain the alkaline in your body. Another reason why you should consider drinking green juice is that it's packed with a lot of energy. They provide near instant lift in energy and it keeps the body in check all day long. Green juice also may delay aging, and that's because of antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your body from oxidative damage, which contributes to physical aging. Studies have linked oxidative damage to the development of cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and more. And the best source for antioxidants is found in fruits and vegetables. Green juice also enhances detoxification. Toxins put a huge strain on your liver. Green juices help because many of the ingredients can support a healthy liver. For example, studies have found that vegetables like broccoli can improve phase 2 detoxification in the liver. This means that your liver will be more efficient and quickly getting toxins out of your body. By consuming green juice every day, you can give your liver a fighting chance against all toxins you are exposed to on a daily basis. Green juice overall supports a healthy immune system because they are packed with nutrients. Much like a car needs gas, oil, and lubricants, your immune system needs a specific type of nutrient to run properly, nutrients that must be consistently replenished. And if they aren't, things are going to stop working. Deficiencies, for example, can make you more susceptible to catching a cold or the flu. A daily dose of vitamin C is also a must, and it keeps your immunity strong. Drinking green juice every day is an easy way to replenish the nutrients that your immune system needs. I personally would recommend green juice smoothies to anyone. If you're ever interested in getting green juice, I would definitely recommend this amazing product called Organifi Green Juice. The link will be in the description. And just let me know what you guys think about the video, and don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more videos. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.